Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Liang Yuanyuan, your professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about living room. This is very useful in your daily life, especially if you're living in China. And anyway, let's start it. So first, we're going to get familiar with these two new characters, 客厅, 客厅. I think we have learned it before in housing. 客 means guests. 客 and 厅 means room, but which is much more bigger than 室 and 屋, which we all have learned in last videos. 客厅, 客厅, which is living room, the place that you invite your guest. 客厅. This is a picture of 客厅. Then we have first, this is lamp, the lamp that you put on the desk. It is 台灯. 台灯. 台 means a platform. 灯 means lamp. We call it 台灯. Second tone, 台. 台. 灯 flat. 灯. And then this is sofa, couch. 沙发. 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 And this pronunciation is directly borrowed from English. 沙发. 凳子 stool, 凳子 凳子 fourth tone, 凳 凳 凳子 凳子 And then this is chair, 椅子 椅子 Remember this is flat tone, 椅子 z z 椅子 And then this is Chachi. Chachi. This is different from desk. In China, most of the people use Chachi, which you put the tea sets there, and you can drink tea on it, which is much more shorter than the desk. And the height of it is just, you can see it, it's just as the same as the chair. So we call it 茶几. Cha means tea. 茶几 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 And then this is curtain, 窗帘 窗帘 flat tone, 窗 We have learned this is window, 帘 帘 Second tone, 窗帘窗帘窗帘 And this is switch, 开关开关 开 means open and 关 means close. So switch it is 开关开关 And then socket, 插座插座插座 flat tone and fourth tone, 插座插座插座 And this is a chandelier, Chinese style. It is 吊灯吊灯吊灯 吊 means hanging. Then we have learned is lamp or light. 吊灯吊灯 Then this is carpet. 地毯地毯 Fourth tone, 地毯 Third tone, 毯地毯地毯地毯 地 means floor, means ground. We have learned before. And then we have this is clock. 钟钟钟 This part of this character means this word is related to metal. And this part, give it the pronunciation. 钟钟 And this is tea sets. 茶具茶具 Cha means tea. 具 means equipment. 茶具 茶具 Remember second tone 茶具茶具茶具 It's time for the exercise. 练习 exercise. First, what's in your living room? 你的客厅里有什么？你的客厅里有什么？ We have learned this kind of expression in the last course. So, 你的 your 客厅 living room 里 in 有什么 what's. So, what's in your living room? Be aware of the order of the words. 你的客厅里有什么？的客厅里有什么？你的客厅里有什么？ And the second one, there's curtain, sofa, and lamp in my living room. 我的客厅 my living room 我 me 的我的 my 客厅 living room 里 in 有 have. So this is the order first in and then have. So it is there's something in my living room. 我的客厅里有窗帘窗帘窗帘我的客厅里有窗帘沙发和台灯 So right after me 我的客厅里有窗帘沙发和台灯和 means and 我的客厅里有窗帘沙发和台灯我的客厅里有窗帘沙发和台灯 So the last one 你客厅里的吊灯和地毯真漂亮 The carpet and the chandelier in your living room is beautiful 你客厅 We have omitted the your we have because there's already a the so if there's so many the in the word it will seem kind of complex but it's okay if you add it in the word it's alright so you can add it in this sentence but you can omit it 你客厅里的 or 你的客厅里的你 you But here it means your because we omitted the here. 你客厅里 means in. 的吊灯 chandelier 吊灯和地毯地 first tone 地毯 third tone 毯真 means really 漂亮 we have learned beautiful真漂亮真漂亮真漂亮 So right after me 你客厅里的吊灯和地毯真漂亮你客厅里的吊灯和地毯真漂亮你客厅里的吊灯和地毯真漂亮So this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and expression today. If you're interested in our class, don't forget to check the website and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to check the homework and do some reviews. Goodbye.